Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
The West Indies women suffered a massive 10-wicket defeat to South Africa's women in the opening Group B match at the ICC T20 Women's World Cup in the UAE on Friday. Centre back the Windies women, the 2016 champions, were restricted to a below-par 118 for 6 of their 20 overs. Jamaica's Stephanie Taylor top scored with 44 not out, while Zayda James was left unbeaten on 15. Shemaine Campbell also made 17, while Captain Hayley Matthews went for 10. Nonkululeko Mlaba took 4 for 29 for South Africa's women. In reply, South Africa's women coasted to 119 without loss in 17.5 overs to achieve victory. Captain Laura Woolvard led the way with 59 not out, while Tasmin Brits was left unbeaten on 57. The Windies women will face Scotland in their next match on Sunday. They'll also face Bangladesh and England in the group. New Jamaica Scorpions head coach Robert Haynes says that the decision to select Terence Cork as his assistant coach was a strategic one. Cork, who has served as the head coach of Jamaica's under-19 team, has also been head coach of Kingston Cricket Club for several years, guiding the careers of West Indies players such as Brandon King, Dean Smith and Fabian Allen. And Haynes says with Cork's knowledge of the players from the youth level, he can help bridge the gap for the young players in the squad.
He has been a winning coach in terms of under 15, under 19, and I felt that for us to get the best of everything, we need to incorporate somebody who have been working with the youth to come to the top, because the future of Jamaica cricket depends on the youth. And for us to do well, to be successful, and also for the players to do well to get to the next level, which is the West Indies level, we must have a system in place. And the JCA reached out and we have discussed the pathway that we need to have in terms of going forward.
The first assignment for the new Scorpions coaching staff will come later this month as the team contests the Regional Super 50 Cup. And the second finalist in this year's Caribbean Premier League will be decided this evening when defending champions Guyana Amazon Warriors do battle with Barbados Pride in the second qualifier at the Providence Stadium. This will be a second opportunity for the Amazon Warriors to get into the final after they lost to St. Lucia Kings via the Duckworth Lewis third method in a rain-affected first qualifier on Wednesday. The winner of this evening's contest will face the Kings in Sunday's final. Took the lead through Shea Smith in the 9th minute before Shaquille Steen equalized for Cavalier in the 29th minute. Jalmaro Calvin then scored the go-ahead goal in minute 35 for Cavalier, before Dwayne Atkinson stretched the lead in the 59th. Calvin scored his second in the 71st minute to cap off the win. Cavalier ended the group stage with 9 points. And that's it for your Midday Sports Roundup.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that concludes the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.